Since you're cooking more at home, you're probably hearing a lot of people yelling,
"Is it done yet?"
How do we know when something is done and safe for us to eat? Can we tell simply by looking at the item we're cooking? The answer is no. According to the Food Safety Inspection Services, 1 in 4 hamburgers is cooked improperly, even though it might look done on the outside. The only way to really kill the pathogens that are present in our food, such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites, is to ensure that we're cooking our foods to a proper internal temperature. According to the Centers for Disease Control, about 1 million people get sick every year from food poisoning due to improperly cooked chicken. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite kitchen tools, the probe thermometer. Instant read probe thermometers such as these are inexpensive and easy to use. Using a thermometer to check the internal temperature of our food is the only way to ensure that food is properly cooked. In order to get an accurate temperature reading, the probe must be inserted in the thickest part of the food. Be sure to avoid touching the thermometer to bone or fat, since they may result in a false reading. The safe internal temperature will vary based on what you're cooking. Poultry should be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, eggs and ground meats to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and fish and shellfish to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're cooking a beef steak or roast, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and the meat should be allowed to rest for at least 3 minutes prior to service. You can also use a probe thermometer to check the temperature of reheated leftovers, which should also reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For a full list of safe internal temperatures, tips on how to place a thermometer, and much more, please visit www.isitdoneyet.gov. Thank you, stay well.